Black Yo Magic, that Black Yo Magic.
Hello everyone, my name is Vanessa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I was living in Keys Complex, which is one of the residential dorms at the University of Florida. So I'll just be showing you all how I decorated my dorm room as well as the apartment. I will leave the link to everything that I have purchased in the description box down below, and definitely check out my other dorm tour videos that I have made in the past. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'm not gonna hold y'all anymore. We're gonna get straight into the video. Alright, so I have officially finished decorating my room. It took me 2 days to decorate my room, and I also decorated the apartment as well. So I'm going to show you guys the apartment and then I'll show you guys my room. Alright, so I added some fake vines all over the apartment. I got these on Amazon. I got a pack of 24 vines for I think around like $17. I also added some fake vines in the hallway. My room, it's so cute. I just love this background. It's giving me like enchanted forest. It is my senior year, you know, go big or go home. Like, I don't even want to leave my room. It's so beautiful. I love it. I love it. This is way better than any other dorm decor I've ever done. This backdrop, I got it on Amazon. It was about $23. They have different sizes. I will put the link for the backdrop or the tapestry and the vines in the description box. The mirror, I got this at Walmart a few years ago. This is the same light that I've had in my dorm since I think sophomore year. I also have string lights. It's the same one that was in my baby video. This, I got it at Five and Below like 2 years ago. This is just like a regular like board, and I just put pictures over it. I have all my bags over here. I also have my hats over here, and I put all my masks over here, and I usually put my keys on this hook. I got like these strings and the pin cloth at Five and Below. I bought that like 2 years ago. I also bought this holder at Walmart. This calendar, I got this on Amazon. This is the same calendar I used in my baby video. I got like a little storage unit filler thingy, so I have like all my hair products and all my skin products and makeup products in this. All of my heels up here. I have my laundry over here and shoes that I wear often down here. So this is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on social media. Have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Love you guys. Bye.